Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salma Rimadani Kusumadewi and I have partners. One, Wanda and two, Rian. We are from Indonesia and we have made a product. The product called Take Assist 21. So if you want to see our product, let's watch the video.
As long-distance learning is in effect in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, the use of technology is very effective for students. It is perceived as 20th and 1st century innovation, which is in an education system that is a birth reach across space, time, socio-economy. In this case, the role of technology in education during the pandemic needed to be maximized. Among them are information and communication technology or ICT as tool, educational facility, and decision support system.
Decision support systems in the form of assessments that are applied in almost all schools generally only provide final results and feedback in the form of scores in numbers to students because they experience difficulties and limitations to measure the 21st century skills that exist in students. To participate in maximizing the role of technology in education during the current pandemic and to find out the effectiveness of the application of a software application program called Tech Assess 21CS as educational tools and facilities that can assist the assessment process.
We have succeeded in creating an application called Take Assess 21. I will tell you what is in this application. First, when we open the application, there is a home page. On the home page, there is feature measurement length and mass, measuring time, about, and help. Here, I just explained the mass and length measurement feature and the time measurement feature. In the feature contains the same that there is a video of experiment and test. The experimental video will be directed to YouTube related to the experiment conducted. Immediately conducted a test after watching the video of the experiment. This test contains 16 double tests on the measurement material of length and mass. If there is also a feature looking at the skill score of the 21st century, namely critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. Then it will be shown the value, and if you want to see description of the value, that you can directly press the value description feature, and then there will be a description of the value of 21st century skills. This Tech Assess 21 application has the novelty of assessment application in general, where in this application there are 4 categories of questions developed to build competencies that students must have in the 21st century, called 4C, namely communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Students will get an evaluation report of learning outcomes equipped with a description of the results of the answer analyzed, namely a description of 21st century skills posed by students seen from each competency after completing the problem package. This application can be found later in the Google Play Store and will add in social media marketing example education.
The use of this application can be reduction, school expenditure budget, and streamline time in the process of obtaining and processing student data or information from learning outcomes.